Right, guys, it's the edge shed again with the 2+2 upsetting the neighbours. Now, I've been doing the floors and sills and blah blah blah. That's the last sill to weld on. He shot blasted it. The rear wings were really good, but the inner wings are really crap. So's all the rear reinforcers, which is the next thing I'm going to start on. For the minute, I just want to show you what I've done. He put this primer over what he blasted. I told him not to go too heavy because I didn't really want to know how much was going to fall off. So I've done this with a soft pad. Look how good that is. It's just full of filler. So it's obviously the arches, you know, must have been damaged years ago. Sill's got to go on, and I've done that, so that's not the end of the world. I've had to put a repair panel in the top because that was rotten across the top, which, you know, as you know, it's rotten here. So I've done a repair panel for there. I've got the floor done and welded, the sill done, so that's done. The next thing is to get the sill attached properly and that welding done, and then I'll get a little bit ahead of myself because I wanted to do the holes in the bulkhead, which were next on these areas, but at the moment I just really am struggling with dust and also noise because I've made a lot of noise, and look how much dust has got me. So I'm going to have a little tidy up, but you can see the general sort of like tacks, and then I will weld the whole thing when I've got it in where I want it to go. It'll be welded in. All the inner sills have been done, as you've seen. So, and the bent engine frames, and those are self-tapping drill holes, would you believe? Idiot drilled holes in. Anyway, so yeah, it's look, guys, please. That bit over there I want to do, and that'll be my next repair. Toe pals are in, all looking lovely. All just need a bit of seam sealer and a bit of whatever, don't they? I mean, nothing majorly difficult, but we'll give it a bit of a shine up. But other than that, I think she's good. Oh, and I've made a little repair panel here. Look, see, look at that little repair panel to go in. Something like that. Well, it's going to go in something like that. All right, it's not going like that. It's going to go in like that. It's going to go like that. There you go. So I'm going to get that in there. That's got to go in. And then that side, apart from that bulkhead panel, I'll do that when I'm doing that. That'll be done. You've got the front frames all done. We started with top wishbones. They're all looking good. Once the back assembly comes together, I want to get all the welding and all this, look, all this dust out of the way. Next thing is going to be the roof. The roof is scary. I am being worried about the sunroof. I'm worried. I'm going to try and save the wood sunroof, but if I can't, then I'm going to have to weld the hole up. Sorry, which I don't really want to do because I hate welding, as you all know. So I think I've done enough on that one. What I'm going to say is that I hope you're enjoying it. I'm not, but it is good. I'm glad I'm doing it. Look, come on. It's look, you know what they said. Time is precious. Waste it wisely, and I have. Look at that. Look at the dust. And I'll tell you what. I wonder whether these. Oh, I mean masks. Look, see, we got these masks here. See, anti-COVID masks. See, and they keep the dust out your nose, hopefully. But yeah, there's a few little pinpricks and bits and pieces, and remember seam sealer and smoke and mirrors, isn't it? Smoke and mirrors, they say. Yeah. Yeah, once we get in there with the old seam sealer, you won't know. Once that's all got carpet stuck in it, you're not going to see any of it anyway, so really doesn't matter. It's not going to be very pretty on the back end, the boot floor, and I don't the rear radio cuts. But now if my assistant comes over here slightly for a second, actually, you will see that I have lost more bits than I've found. Oh, I've got, now look. See this? That's going to come in useful. I've got these, which are going to come in useful. I've got that, not going to come in useful. I've also got, which seems to have gone, this thing. You couldn't make it out, could you? I don't need that, thank God. I've used that. Oh! I've got the radio cup. So I've also got the spot water. So I'm good. I'm good, guys. I'm good. I've got a few other bits of repair panels around. I've got the back panel there, look. Don't know whether you can see that. Can you see the back panel? Alright, it's not It's not the right one, but it's good enough. So it'll go in, it'll work. So I think it's a Series 1 road. But anyway, so we've got that. We've got the boot floor, and we've got plenty of sheet steel, including that over there, which is ready to go in. So yeah, I think we got nearly the whole thing to do it. So like and subscribe, follow me back on Instagram, and see you soon. Bye.